ወንዴ ኮት አንተም ግባ ና ግባ። ምንም ማንቸስተር ብትሆን አርሴናል ነኝ። ምንም ማንቸስተር ብትሆንም ግባ ወንዴ ግባ። ማን ያውቃል ከአሁን በኋላ አውሮፓ ወይ አሜሪካ ሊሄድ ይችላል። ይሄ መሰረት ይባላል። ልጅ መሰረት። አሁን ያለነው ሞያሌ ፓራዳይዝ ነው። ሰዎች ሞያሌ ሲባል እንደው የሆነ ተራ ሀገር መስሏችሁ እንዳይታያችሁ። ካን ዩ ሲ ዚስ ዋና አያችሁ? ካን ዩ ሲ ዚስ ዋና? ካን ዩ ሲ ዚስ አያችሁ ዋና? ዲስ ኢዝ ኖት አዋሳ ኦር ዲስ ኢዝ ኖት ቢሾፍቱ። እሺ ዲስ ኢዝ ሞያሌ። ይሄ ሞያሌ ነው ነፍሴ። ይኸው ዛፎችን እያቸው። ዋው ሉክ ንጹህ ዋና መዋኛ የህፃናት ያዋቂ ሎጆች። እነዚህ ባህላዊ ጎጆ ቤቶች በጣም ስማርት ናቸው። አሻግራችሁ ካያችሁ ያው የልጆች መጫወቻ እዛ ጋር ማዶ። ይኸው ይሄ ደግሞ ገራሚ ዘመናዊ ሬስቶራንት። ይኸው እዲ ሞያሌ ሲባል አንተ ማን ነው ኩሽ ማንኩሽ ያደረገ እንደ ዋዲም ብሮ? ይኸው ይሄ ዋና ነው ነፍሴ። እንዲህ አይነት ዋና አለ። ኑና ተዝናኑ። People from Kenya come to Ethiopia Moyale in the weekend. This is a paradise hotel in the lounge in Moyale, Ethiopia. It's far, almost 6 kilometers inward from bordering area. Okay, come on guys. ስማ የት አለ ቡናችን? እዴ ያስታወኩላችሁ ነው። ይኸው ሞያሌ ፓራዳይዝ ነው የሚባለው። ይኸው እዚህ ጋር ምን የመሰለ ሬስቶራንት አለ። ስንት ሰው ያስተናግዳል? 500 ሰው? ብዙ ሰው። ይኸው this is Moyale Paradise Hotel. We are now enjoying in Moyale Paradise Hotel. Do you imagine this is Moyale? It's truly it is a paradise. We are enjoying Paradise Moyale. Come on. The one who planning to engage. Wedding ceremony, training, meetings, and other refreshmental area. Come on people, all Ethiopians, Kenyans, other Ugandians. This is Paradise Lodge in Moyale. To be honest, very beautiful, very smart, really recovering. Some of my colleagues here were coming back from a day-long activity in Migration Response Center, especially installation of Tita, is that coffee? Yeah, can you talk English? So this is the coffee, the Ethiopian coffee. Ethiopian banana. Wow, the lady is very smart. She is beautiful, the coffee lady. She's laughing. Why you are laughing? Why you are laughing? Can I come there? Look, this all beauty, this all paradise are, for you. Come on, at the weekend, holidays, you can enjoy with your family, with your beloved. This the neat and very clean swimming pool. Also there is, children area, the children zone there, green area. This is the snack area, snack, juice, what else? Sandwich, cake, chocolate chips, what else? Chips, what else? Yes. How about lasagna? How about arrosto? Whoa, my god. Come on, let me take your selfie. Yes. Pizza, burger. Come on, yeah? Good. Fatira. Oh my god. That is with honey, yeah? Yes. The compound is all green. My god. The kitchen is, very smart and, movable kitchen. Here is a movable kitchen. I love it. This is a refrigerator. Yeah. Where is my coffee? The coffee lady already coming. Where is my coffee? I drink without sugar. So please, can you bring with this spicy? Colleagues, how you feel? Is that okay? Yes, I'm happy today, really. really appreciate the owner of this lodge, this hotel. Yes. Now I will share this from Moyale. Colleague come to Moyale to enjoy from Kenya, from Marsabit, from Nairobi, from Addis, Awasa, Arbamin, Sodo, Dilla. Please stay good time here in Moyale. Just purchasing a lot of activities from both Kenyan and Ethiopian side. I hope you will be happy, you will enjoy, and we are here to support you. Take my phone, WhatsApp number 251 913 1943. The man sit the right side of me is my driver. His name is Nagash, or locally Bahar Nagash. Yeah, you know Bahar Nagash. This is a man Gondosan Brahane. This is our security staff member. So another colleagues are there. His name is Masarat, our IT supporting staff. He also taking his selfie in every business. Thank you very much. Coffee lady, thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a good time.